Welcome back to Bag Bottle Cook. So today I want to show you how to make the most delicious potato, leek and rosemary soup. Let me give you all the ingredients. 700 grams of potatoes, 450 grams of leeks, 4 sprigs of rosemary depending on how big they are, and 2 tablespoons of parsley, 50 grams of butter to cook your leeks in, 900 ml of vegetable stock, 450 ml full cream milk, or you can change. It's a vegetarian recipe, so that's why we're using vegetable stock. If you can't drink full cream milk, you can change it, substitute it for any milk that you prefer. Right at the end, we'll be adding creme fraiche, 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche, and obviously then we'll add salt and pepper to taste when we're done. So let me first prepare the potatoes. We're going to peel our potatoes and cut them into small chunks, and we'll be slicing our leeks. Let me do that quickly. So after I've sliced all my leeks, I like to give it a very good rinse, just to make sure we get rid of all the extra soil, if there's any soil in there that stayed behind. I've peeled the potatoes, cut them into large chunks, and the leeks have been sliced and rinsed well. So firstly, we'll add our batter to a pot, and then we'll cook our leeks for about 5 minutes. Remember to stir your leeks frequently so that they don't burn. Okay, so our leeks are nice and tender. I'm just going to remove about 2 tablespoons and reserve them for garnishing. Next, we add our potatoes, our vegetable stock, rosemary sprigs, and milk. So let's add our potatoes. Rosemary. Vegetable stock. And lastly, add our milk. We'll bring our soup to a boil, and then we'll reduce the heat. Cover your pot and then simmer it for 20 to 25 minutes, or until your vegetables are tender. You can just keep an eye on it. Okay, it's boiling nicely. Let's reduce our heat to low and cover the pot. We'll simmer it for 20 to 25 minutes, very gently, until it's nice and tender. Stir your soup every few minutes. Just checking my water keeper while I wait. How nice and bubbly is that? Our soup is ready. Let's cool it down for about 10 minutes, and then we can remove the rosemary sprigs before we give it a blend. We want to blend the soup into a nice smooth consistency. Okay, so now we can blend our soup to that smooth consistency that we want. You'll notice that I'm holding my blender at an angle just so I can get to all the potato that's in the soup so that I don't miss anything. Because when you hold it down, you can't get to all your ingredients. But just be careful to hold it under your soup. If you lift it up, you'll spill soup all over the place, and you don't want to clean up that mess. Oh, beautiful. Let's flavor our soup. 2 tablespoons of fresh parsley. I'm just adding a teaspoon of salt first so that I can taste it. I'm sure I'm going to need more. Some pepper. Let me just taste the salt. A little bit more. Another half a teaspoon. And our 2 tablespoons of creme fraiche. Let's stir that in. If your soup is too thick to what you would prefer, just add some more milk or water. I like adding milk to keep it nice and creamy. And just check the seasoning if I have enough salt. Perfect. Oh, that's beautiful. So this is my potato leek rosemary soup with parsley and creme fraiche. Let's give it a taste. Oh, the soup is super creamy. So there you have it. That is my potato, leek and rosemary soup. I love sharing that with you. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel. I would love to share more recipes with you. Thank you so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.